subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any video from tech tutorials.
Today we are going to discuss about the topic called average function. An average is nothing but the mid value of an some amount or any value it consists of. Likewise, see, we have a bank here, ABC Bank. We have deposited amount on respective days and the deposits are here starting from here to here. So we need to know the average deposits which we made. For this we'll be using the formula average brackets open. We'll be selecting the amounts from I6 to I18. We'll be closing up the bracket now. See, 8515 is the average deposit which we made in ABC Bank. There's another way of doing it. Go to formula tab, insert function, average. Okay, select the cells. See, 8515, this is the average deposit which you made. This is how we perform average function in Excel. That's it guys, hope you liked it. Kindly share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications about my new videos on channel. Thanks for watching guys, hope you liked it.